1 minute exercise. I like to move it. I like to wait. Not before I oil my hips. Hip rotation, everyone. Yes, moving round and round. Move the hips, feel the back. Oh, I know all the knots in your back. Breathing in, exhale it out. You gotta go. I wanna move, I wanna groove. Keep going. We are in this together. Keep going. Yes, and alternate. Go from one side and then round and round the other side, but keep going. I can feel. That means I can heal. Yes, keep going. More energy circulation in those hips for you can move and groove and feel your brightest self. We almost there. We are almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you did it.